All right guys, check out what I've got right here. 2022 KTM 125XC. Some of you guys might not be familiar with the 125XC. So what is it? Well, it's a 125SX, yes, carbureted, that's already set up for off-road, meaning 18-inch rear wheel, oversized tank, kickstand, and electric start. Pretty sick, guys. You get the AER, the WP AER exact forks, so you do have the air fork on these, which WP feels is their most best performing fork at the moment, so that's why that's on this bike. You get the linkage. Obviously the linkage is the best performance when it comes to, you know, whoops and big G out sections and stuff. So it's just a sweet bike. If you want a 125 two-stroke that's set up for optimal performance off-road racing right off the showroom floor, you absolutely cannot beat the 2022 125XC. I would expect there to be substantial updates with this bike next year when the motocrossers get their updates. For this year, we didn't get any kind of crazy changes. What did we get? We got the blue seat, we got the different graphics, and then they also changed the rear sprocket. I believe it was a 51 and now it's a 50. That's the only changes we're getting for this year. But I will tell you, if you're interested in one of these, you need to email sales@aomc.mx. Not sure what the availability is, but these things can be tough to find, and everybody knows about supply chain issues right now. So just an amazing machine. And all right guys, if you love these walk around videos, please subscribe to the channel and hit that bell, and don't miss them, because this is going to be your source for new KTMs, new Huskies, new Gases, new Suzukis, new Hondas, new Yamahas, just about everything I'm going to bring you on this channel. Motocross riding, off-road riding, one-wheel riding, about everything. So please support me back by hitting the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video.